The story of my patriot has been probably at least 12 to 15 years. I have known about him and I've known about his battle. I mean, the battle and how he died and all that stuff. And it's very, very well documented. There's all kinds of research. But it is basically a massacre. And a lot of, a lot of the times when I started to look into it, I, I got very overwhelmed with emotions and very just it was just a very heavy story at all. And so I kind of just would put it away and not do anything again. And but the more that that America 250 was coming and I'm DAR and of course we have a patriot and people are asking me questions about him and all of this. So I decided to go ahead and dig in and do a little research. But um what I really started to think about was the fact that not only were these some, I believe there were approximately 300 patriots that died there in the Battle of Wyoming, but that was also 300 families, right? That fled from the valley. Like it was an entire, it was two to at least through the night and the next day completely. Because what happened, unfortunately, is that the British and the Tories that were there, there was a good significant number of those that banded together, and they also it recruited, if you will, the American Indians that were in that area who were very interested in running all of the white people out. They didn't really care who it was, and just kind of rampaged and drove everybody out. So, but I had these two little tiny snippets that came from different branches of this family that said that that his wife Sarah and the kids, that she rounded them up and they fled through one of the stories said something about the swamp, the dark swamp that the Native Americans were suspicious of or superstitious about and wouldn't follow and stuff like that. Anyway, and that she went back to her father-in-law's house, home, and some 200 miles or something like that. So the biggest part of my story is also my backstory because all along the time that I'm doing the research in my mind, I've got this um I can help other people do research by learning how I'm doing it, right? And then okay, look at this resource and look at this. So I've got kind of a dual thing going on right there. So anyway,